Hi, do you know that smart contract is actually not so smart? In fact, they can't execute any transactions by themselves unless someone somewhere in the world clicks a button to help triggering them. Well, that is about to change. Introducing Snowflake. Snowflake is an on-chain automation platform for Solana. We make smart contract truly smart by enabling users and developers to schedule and automate hundreds of smart contracts in an on-chain and decentralized fashion. All right, now is the fun bit. Let's take a spin of the application to show you how it works. As soon as you connect your wallet, Snowflake is going to show you all the automation that you have set up. You can create new automation by clicking on the new automation button. For the purpose of the demo, let's take a look at an existing automation instead. As you can see on the screen, an automation is defined by a trigger followed by a series of actions and their execution history. Let's edit this automation so we can show you what's under the hood. All right, let's take a look at the field that you can change. So you can update the name of the automation or change the trigger type, which could be time, price based. It could be triggered by custom event or even an external event. And if you select a time event, a time trigger, then you can enter the schedule of how often or how frequent you want the automations to execute. Next, the user can select the action that the user wanted a Snowflake to execute when the trigger condition met. Underneath the action type, you can see that we are implementing a wide range of action type that allow interaction with Serum, Radium, and all the other smart contracts out there. In this demo, we are going to use custom action. Custom action is the heart of Snowflake. It allows developers to call any arbitrary smart contracts by simply entering the program, instruction, and account. Custom action is oriented toward developers. If you are an end user, you will use the other high-level action type. Now let's fire up an automation by changing the schedule. Let's say it's about 8:30 p.m. right now, so let's update the schedule to trying to trigger a automation. Save. Okay, now our node operator should kick in and execute this transaction automatically. Let's refresh the execution history. As you can see, the transaction is executed automatically and successfully without any user interactions. And that's not all. Snowflake doesn't just limit to one action. We can trigger a series of actions like withdraw liquidity from Radium and deposit to Cyber, etc. Let's update our automation to show you how Snowflake can fire up multiple actions. All right, so I'm going to edit the action and adding more action to this automation. And for the purpose of the demo, I'm going to use custom action, and I'm just going to copy configuration from the first action and save. All right, now that the actions have been saved, let's just trigger a manual execution so I can show you what it looked like. There we go. You can see that twice the transaction was actually executed twice. And that's the wrap, guys. I hope you can see how powerful Snowflake can be between different trigger types and action types, and the ability to compose multiple actions in a single transaction. There is not little that Snowflake can't do. Most importantly, our team is committed to deliver this powerful automation behind one of the highest quality and most user-friendly application that even the least experienced user can understand within minutes. Thank you for your time.